বাইক প্রেমিক বন্ধুদের জন্য সুখবর। এখন বাজাজের নিত্য নতুন সব মডেলের বাইক পেয়ে যাচ্ছেন চম্পকনগর দাস মোটরসে। তাছাড়াও একই ছাদের নিচে আপনারা পেয়ে যাচ্ছেন আধুনিক সার্ভিস সেন্টার এবং স্পেয়ার পার্টস। থাকছে স্পট ফাইন্যান্সের ব্যবস্থা। তাই আপনার পছন্দের বাইকটি নিতে আজই আসুন আমাদের নতুন শোরুমে। দাস মোটরস, চম্পকনগর বাজার, হাসপাতালের বিপরীতে। আপনাদের সকলকে সাদর আমন্ত্রণ রইল।
Salor Techno College of Engineering Agotlani Luaji Mungte Tripura Rotary Club ni Agotlani Shaktan Mumbai Agotlani Rabindra Bhavan Hall Nogo Khlaijaka Agam Siksa Sanman Sokar Rumung Panda Pandao Narar Okra Angai Manjaka Hasteni Rung Monte Rotan Lanat Manjaka Hasteni Kokthumte Hukumo Bedek ni Monte Shanta Chaudhary te Tripura Higher Education ni Chairman Dr. Arunadai Shah Akosong Salor Kaisa Pandani Bishingtei Hasteni Rung Strungnai Juk Chongno Techno College of Engineering Agotlani Luaji Mungte Tripura Rotary Club ni Agotlani Shaktan Mumbai Agotlani Rabindra Bhavan Hall Nogo Khlaijaka Agam Siksa Sanman Sokar Rumung Panda Pandao Narar Okra Angai Manjaka Hasteni Rung Monte Rotan Lanat Manjaka Hasteni Kokthumte Hukumo Bedek ni Monte Shanta Chaudhary te Tripura Higher Education ni Chairman Dr. Arunadai Shah Akosong Pandao Hasteni Rung Monte Rotan Lanat ni yakte Chengshaw Rejaka Techno College of Engineering Agotla Institute ni Diploma Level Course Pandao Kok Sana Thangai Hasteni Kokthumte Hukumo Bedek ni Monte Shanta Chaudhary Shakha.
First of all, I would like to know how many of yours are here pursuing BTech course? Please raise your hands. BTech course, how many of yours are pursuing BTech? Good number. What about diploma? The number is lesser than BTech. See, I am told that Techno India, as you all know, it's a pan-India group which has got its establishment in the other parts of the country. And they have been doing predominantly in our country, but they started their journey in our state say around 6-7 years back in 2014 and 15. So after their commencement of journey in our state, they have been imparting quality education, especially in the field of engineering. Those students who are sitting before me, who have raised their hands already, who are pursuing BTech under Techno India, I am sure had Techno India not been there at Anandanagar, these students, they would have preferred going outside the state, either in Bangalore or Chennai, South India, West Bengal, or somewhere else. But now they have given the opportunity to our students, to our state, so that you can pursue your higher education in our state, which was next to impossible when I was a student. During our time, say around 20 years back, it was next to impossible to pursue higher studies, especially in the fields of engineering in our state. We had one Tripura Engineering College, TEC, another Polytechnic College. Now you will find Polytechnic College in different districts who are imparting diploma level engineering programs. We have Techno India Group at the private sector. We have TIT, we have NIT, and we have our Central University. You have variety, you have your choice to settle your life, to establish your life in our staying here in Tripura. So, I have nothing to say much because I have got my pre-engagement with Department of Sports. I am very happy to see you all here, and Techno India Group, they have been doing predominantly in our country, and this part, the other parts, which can be, this group can be compared to say like DY Patel Group in Maharashtra, which has got more than 163 universities, colleges at different levels, even in abroad.
Yang te khaksa phaising pandau kok sana thangai hasten rung manjor tonlana chakha.
Techno College of Engineering Agartala, jointly with Rotary Club of Agartala, is hosting here 3 programs. One is Agam Shikshak Samman 2021, Udayan 2.0, a conclave of emerging technology. 3, inauguration of diploma level courses. It is of immense pleasure for me to be here as a part of this program. As far as my knowledge, since its inception in the year 2014, TCEA aimed to serve the exclusive purpose of delivering quality education in science and engineering in the state of Tripura with its state-of-the-art lab facilities and multidimensional development attributes. Students of TCEA are placed at various multinational companies like Infosys, TCS, Indigo, MHIDPL, etc. The students have also secured significant achievements in various state-level competition in the field of science and technology. We know that apart from academic extracurricular activities are also a need of this hour. TCA also encourages students in creative arts and extracurricular activities. They have won various college level dance and music competitions organized by Tripura University, NIT Agartala and TIT, etc. This college is known to work along in pace with the change and need of time. As Industrial Revolution 4.0 is at the door, keeping in mind to upgrade the technical education scenario in the country, AICTE has launched and proposed all its affiliated institutes to adopt new engineering branches with emerging technologies. TCEA have opened 3 new branches offering BTech degree in emerging technologies as per AICTE norms. Those branches of study are electrical and computer science engineering, civil engineering with computer applications, advanced mechatronics and industrial automation. The educational institutions are meant to create knowledge and disseminate them so that larger society would gain.
Raja ko awalin simi pradam ni kokthom chini khora.